to another vlog in Hanoi. We are going to a museum today.
Yes.
Yes.
We're going to see my favourite artist, well, one of my favourite artists, which is Van Gogh. They had two exhibitions, one in Hanoi and one in Saigon.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a look.
Yeah, so we are currently in just by the Hoan Kiem Lake. Exhibition is inside a shopping mall called Tim Plaza. Let's head our way there. It looks amazing online, so
Yeah.
excited to see what it actually looks like in real life. Thank you.
It's so nice here.
Yeah. The
Note to
shopping
self,
center is so fancy.
wear proper shoes because it's very slippery. It's marble down here.
Wow, look at this place. I think it's on the 5th floor.
Fifth.
Yeah.
Should we get the lift then?
Yeah.
Don't go around here.
Yeah. So fancy.
It's good that we're going to this now
Yeah, we're cool.
because I didn't know they had it here.
Thank you.
So that was really 230 for kitchen.
Oh, 6 rooms.
Okay, and you just go in there and just explore the whole place?
Yeah.
Okay, amazing, thank you. Ah,
Thank you.
thank you. Wow.
So cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that's amazing, wow.
I almost walked into that.
I think it is the room.
No.
It
the
is.
back, the side bit.
Oh, yeah, it's all like
Into
mirrored
it.
here.
Yeah.
You know, when you're younger, you go into the like a
That's
fun
me.
fair and they got like a
And
mirror.
the kids.
Yeah, and you just walk straight into it. Wow. Oh, we're in space. Isn't it?
Yeah. So cool.
Since we are quite dark here, testing out the new features on the camera. Super nice. What do you guys think? That's mirror, isn't it?
Yes, this is the door here.
Actually, just look like another room. Wow, look at this. That
Should we
was
go to the
crazy.
next one?
Next one is Sea of Vietnam. I think it's comprised of like 6 different rooms in here. So it's just going round and round with different fine digital art. That's what it is. Wow. Wow. Look at this, man. It's so incredible. Oh god.
It's cool.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
It's worth every penny. It's worth every penny. Wow. Never
Do you
seen
know
anything
what?
like this.
It's the sounds.
Yeah.
It's so therapeutic.
It's the visual as well.
Yeah.
Everything. It stimulates all your senses.
Yeah. I've been to a few of these back in London, so like it's so cool that they have it here as well.
Yeah. I've never been to one like fully digital art like
I
this.
love it.
So cool. I thought I'm gonna go in here, you know, look at a couple of pictures, exhibition and all of that, but did not expect this. Alright, let's head on to the next room. So, the next room is the art gallery. Oh, wow. Whoa! So this art room is called Sky of Vietnam. Wow, look at this.
Oh, is this where you take pictures? Yeah, it is.
Yay!
Should you take one?
It's not the end of the trip. I think this is the last room now. You can take pictures at one of these machines and it's unlimited as well. If you want to print out, you we've done it. That's the price there. But you also can just get the QR code that we just did and get sent straight to your phone.
Should we do another one?
Yes, it's unlimited. Let's go.
The first one was better.
Yes. Oh, we're having way too much fun with this.
Yeah. Talk about being a big kid today. That's cute.
Gotta promote, you know. That's right.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
I missed the step.
Highly recommend. Wow, what a place.
So good.
Wow, I didn't expect to have that much fun in there. It's incredible.
Yeah.
All for the price. How much did we pay for actually?
I know in total it was like £10.
£230. 230 pounds. 230,000 dong.
Yeah.
For one ticket, so both of us we are 460 altogether.
Yeah.
Wow, definitely worth every penny. If you have the time to go, definitely make your way here.
Go.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment if you can. Support our channel.
Adios.